In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Uniswap with Trust Wallet. If you're diving into the world of decentralized finance and looking to streamline your transactions seamlessly, this guide is the perfect place to start. We'll walk through each step, ensuring clarity and ease as we connect one of the most popular decentralized exchanges, Uniswap, to the user-friendly Trust Wallet. First things first, have your device ready and open up your Trust Wallet application. As Trust Wallet loads, you'll be greeted by its intuitive interface, which is designed to make your cryptocurrency management as straightforward as possible. Among its features, you'll notice options like sending funds, swapping cryptocurrencies, and more, along with a list of your tokens. This well-organized layout is there to provide you quick access to all the essential functionalities you need to manage your digital assets efficiently. To begin the process of connecting Uniswap, direct your attention to the bottom right corner of the screen where you'll find the Discover button. Tap on this button to proceed. You'll be taken to a new section within the app that provides various tools and options to explore further possibilities within the crypto ecosystem. This is where you can access decentralized applications, or DApps, which include Uniswap. In the Discover section, at the top, you'll see a search bar. Click on this search bar, and in the text field, type Uniswap. This search function is the gateway to accessing a variety of decentralized applications, so it's a handy tool to familiarize yourself with. Once you've typed in Uniswap, you will see it pop up in the search results. Tap on the Uniswap option to continue. You will now be directed to the Uniswap page within Trust Wallet. On this page, the critical step is to establish a connection between Uniswap and Trust Wallet. To do this, you'll find a Connect button on the page. Give it a click. You'll then be prompted to select a wallet for this connection. An interface will appear with various wallet options. Among them, choose Trust Wallet. This selection will ensure that Uniswap recognizes Trust Wallet as the platform to access and manage your funds securely. With your wallet selected, you have successfully connected Uniswap to your Trust Wallet. Now you're all set to explore the functionalities of Uniswap directly from your Trust Wallet app, empowering you to conduct transactions, partake in swaps, and engage with numerous other features of the Uniswap protocol. And there you have it, a straightforward pathway to connecting Uniswap with Trust Wallet. By following these steps, you can facilitate effortless transactions and manage your crypto assets efficiently. Keep exploring and enjoy the seamless experience of managing your decentralized finance